and good morning to all. Today, my topic is budget of various units and levels. Introduce the topic. A budget is a forward financial plan. It provides a preparation of expected flows of money in and out of the firm in the immediate future. Normally, a budget will be prepared in advance of a period of time, usually a year, but could be on a monthly or quarterly basis. History of the budget. Budget word was first coined by the British kings in early days from the word budgety. Budgety means the a sack of pouch. Budget is the heart of administrative management. It is the formal expression of policies, plans, objectives, and goals laid down in advance by top level authorities of the organization as a whole in a given period of time. Next, the meaning. A forecast of the resources required to deliver the services offered by the organization. A plan for coordinating the financial goals of an organization. A formal quantitative expression of management's plans, intentions, expectations, and actions to control the results. Next, coming to the definition of the different units of budget. Budget is a operational plan for a definite period, usually a year, expressed in financial terms and based on expected income and expenditure. A hospital budget. What is hospital budget? A hospital budget is designed to meet future service expectations to provide quality patient care at minimum cost. Nursing budget is a plan for allocation of resources based on preconceived needs for a proposed series of programs to deliver patient care during one fiscal year. Next, in summary of the budget is a fiscal plan that includes estimated expenses as well as income for a period of time, fixed or variable, either controllable or non-controllable. Fixed expenses do not vary with the volume, whereas the variable expenses do. Next, the basic of budget. Basic of the budget are the cash book, date, particulars, receipts, payments, ledger statements, receipts, and payment accounts prepared for 1 year. Like this, the receipts, opening balance cash, opening balance bank receipt, payment, salaries, fees, balance. Like this, the basic of the budget. Next, the purposes of the budget. Purposes of the budget. At first, the control the costs of the fiscal year, and the next to accurately report all fiscal financial and statistical data. Is the establish annual and monthly budget, identify the analyze actual experience compared to the budget plan. There are some other purpose of budgeting. The budget supplies the mechanism for translating fiscal objectives into the project monthly spending pattern. Budget enhances fiscal planning and decision making. Budget clearly recognizes controllable and uncontrollable costs of areas already told before. Budget offers a useful format for communicating fiscal objectives. Budget allows feedback of utilization of budget. Budget helps to identify problems, areas, and facilitates effective solution. Budget provides means for measuring and recording financial success with the objectives of the organization. Next, the characteristics of a budget. It is a plan for program framed on the basis of past experiences. A scheme for action. It should estimate revenues and expenditures as accurately as possible. This comprehensive plan for action. Next, coming to the principles of the budget. Provides sound financial management focused on objectives and policies of an organization. Be flexible. Budget necessitates a review of the performance of the previous year or an evaluation of its adequacy. Another principles of budgets are budgeting should include coordinating efforts of various departments, establishing a frame of reference for managerial decisions and providing a criterion for the evaluation managerial performance. Budget period must be appropriate to the nature of business or service and to the type of budget. Budget is prepared under the direction and supervision of the administrator of or financial officer. Budgets are to be prepared and interpreted consistently throughout the organization in the communication of planning process. While developing a budget, the provision should be made for its flexibility. It is important point of principles of budget. Importance of budget. An essential management tool, budget tells you how much money you need to carry out your activities. Budget enables to monitor income and expenditure of that fiscal year. The budget is a basis for financial accountability and transparency. Next, the budget helps one values and to make decision when the necessary or whether one is a greater value in the program than the others. A budget plan, healthcare institutions, importance of budget, another importance of budget is needed for the planning for future courses of action and to have the control overall activities in the organization. Budget facilitates the coordinating operating of various departments and sections for realizing organizational objectives. Budget serves as a guide for the action in the organization. Budget helps one to this point already told. Next, the budget plan for healthcare institutions. There are four components of healthcare institutions budget plan. Number one, revenue budget is summarizing the income the management expects to generate during the planning period. Number two, an expense budget is describing expected activity in operational financial terms for a given period of time. A capital budget outlines the programmed acquisitions, disposals, and improvements in the institution's physical capacity. A cash budget consists of money received, cash receipts, and disbursement expected during the planning period. Next, the coming to the types of budget. Types of budget. At first, I tell about the basic main two types budgeting are the centralized and decentralized approaches to budgets. What is centralized budget? Centralized budgeting is developed and imposed by the controller, administrator, and or director of nursing with little to no consultation with lower level managers. Decentralized budgeting has the middle level manager involved in the planning and budgeting process. Components of the total institution. Next, the capital budget. What is capital budget? Capital budget fund needed for the capital items for the growth, new supplies and facilities, and the replacement of the worn out equipment, machinery, and the furniture. The decision on capital budgeting is based on needs of the patients and existing alternatives. Effects of additional equipments on income and expenditure, availability of funds. Next, the operating budget. It provides an overview of an agency's functions by projecting the planned operations. Usually for the upcoming year, the nurse manager might include personal salaries, employees, benefits, insurance, medical surgical supplies, office supplies, rent, heat, light, housekeeping. Both controllable and non-controllable expenses are projected. Next, the personal budget. What is personal budget? Personal budget estimates the cost of direct labor necessary to meet the nursing needs of the estimated patient population. The current staffing patterns, number of unfilled positions, and the last year's report can provide a base of personal budget. Cash budget. Next, the cash budget. Cash budget are planned to make adequate funds available as needed and to use any extra funds profitably. They ensure that the agency has enough but not too much cash on hand during the budgetary period. Next, types of institutional budget depending on management philosophy. Number one, the open-ended budget, fixed ceiling budget, flexible budget, performance budget, program budget, zero-based budget, sunset budget. These budgets are types of institutional budget, institutional management budget. At first, the open-end budget. Open-end. What is open-end budget? An open-end budget is characterized by a single cost or estimate for each program in the proposed unit. Fixed ceiling budget. A fixed ceiling budget is one in which the utmost spending limit is set by the top executive, who then asked manager to develop budget proposals for the individual units. Next, the flexible budget. Flexible budget, in contrast, contains several financial plans for each level of activity or for different operating conditions, or top management can select the budget or shift the spending level upwards or downwards, whichever is best for optimum productivity. Next, the performance budget. A performance budget is based on the functions and activities of the personnel involved in the operation budgeted in a nursing care management setting. Is this may refer to direct nursing care activities, supervision of nursing staff, and quality control, among other things. These are the performance budget. Program budget, on the other hand, in a program budget, costs are computed for a program as a whole or entire program itself, that is a home care program and outreach program, etc., rather than for individual activities or functions. Zero-based balance. Zero-based balance already Shimona discussed in before class, so no needed or discuss the zero-based balance. Next, the sunset balance. Sunset balance is the design to destruct within a prescribed period to ensure cessation of the funded program at a predetermined date. Next, the budgeting method. Budgeting methods are the simplest method. Budget for the coming year is projected method, requires little budget expertise from the part of the manager, assumes the base for projecting next zero-based balance, assume that base for projecting next year's budget is zero. The managers are required to justify all activities and programs as they are initiated for the first time. Every proposed expenditure must be justified with current environment, fit with organizational objectives. Next, the flexible. Flexible budget. What is flexible budget? Flexible budget flexes over the year, up and down. Flexible budget automatically calculates what the expense is. Performance budget. This method emphasizes outcomes and results instead of activities and outputs. Next, the budget process. Budget process. What is the budget process? A budgetary process involves determining and budgetary process involves determining the developing a plan for the area of responsibility and reviewing, analyzing and controlling the operation and plans of the department. This can be done by the review of patient review of pertinent provisions in the current General Appropriation Act and the identify sources of funds, general funds, national, city, municipal, provincial, special, revolving trust. These are the sources of budget process, reviewing the current appropriations and actual expenditures for the current year. Study proposed changes in other departments which might affect all the nursing service budget. Estimate the required expenditures for the coming year for supplies, materials, equipments, repairs and replacement. These are the budget process. Next, the budget before coming to budget calendar, there are four phases for budget process. What are the four phases of budget process? At first, the planning, gathering information related to goals and objectives, setting priorities, conducting an environmental assessment and identifying the financial objectives. Next, the development of budget, collecting and analyzing data from the past budget, allocating amounts based on priority and approving the operational and capital budgets. Next, the implementation and monitoring. After planning and development of budget, we will implement and monitoring the budget. Analyzing, analyzing the variances and adjustment during the fiscal period, negotiating and revising the budget as necessary, allocating department cash budgets, evaluation, obtaining performance reports and analyzing efficiency. Next, the steps of budgetary process. At first, the assess what needs to be covered in the budget. Budgeting today generally reflects all inputs from all levels of organization. Number two, the develop a plan. The fiscal year, a budgeting cycle set for a 12 months. Fiscal year may not coincide with the calendar, is then broken down into the quarters and subdivided into the monthly, quarterly, semi-annual periods and select optimal time frame of budgeting. Next, the implementation and monitoring. Ongoing monitoring and analyzing occur to avoid an inadequate and excess funds at the end of the first fiscal year. Evaluation, and last, the evaluation the budget, reviewing the periodically and modified as needed throughout the fiscal year. Managers develop a more historical approach to budgeting as they grow more adept at predicting and units budgetary requirements. The budget calendar. What is the budget calendar? For practical purposes of the nursing budget follows three stages of development. Already told, the formulation, review, the enactment stage and execution. The entire budgeting process is given a specific time frame and target date is assigned for each step. Form, formulating stage, already told. Next, the review and enactment stage. The prepare unit budget, present unit budgets for approval, revise and combine into organizational budget, present to budget council, and the revise and present to governing board, revise and distribute to cost center managers. Next, the execution stage. Execution of the budget involves directing and evaluating activities. The nurse administrators who planned the budget execute it. A revision for scheduled at stated intervals, usually once or twice during the fiscal year if indicated. Next, the advantages of budget. Places every one of the management team, helps to create cost awareness, helps to measure individual and department productivity as well as the profitability and produce cost savings, Next, the provides a plan or forecast of what is expected by the budget and help clarity, accountability, and responsibility provides for communication within the organization through the budget. Next, the disadvantages of budget. Over budgeting leads to over expenditure, restrict the activities throughout the years and under the estimation by the budget. Next, the planning a hospital budget. Stages of budget plan in hospital. At first, before before explanation explained of the hospital budget, I will tell about the factors affecting budget planning of the hospital. Some basic factors to be considered in budget planning are the type of patients, the kind or class of the hospital, the policies or personnel and equipment, standards of nursing care, nursing supervision. These are the factors at first or factors of hospital budget. The number one, the patient. The nature of patient's needs in primary consideration in budget planning. These needs are determined by the condition of the patient, the length of the stay in the hospital, and the acuteness of the illness. Categorizing the patients is made through the type of care given by the physical, such as medical, surgical, maternity, pediatrics, geriatric, among others. The method of patient assignments can be functional case team, case team member, team care, or primary nursing care. The severity of the illness serves as the basis for the length of the stay in the hospital. These are the first factors of hospital budget, that is the patient. Next, the hospital or healthcare facility. The available facilities and resources with which to address the needs of the patient are also factors in budget planning of the hospital budget. In nursing management, these concerns include the size of the hospital facility, its bed occupancy and capacity. Bed capacity must be enough to accommodate the possible number of patients. Other aspects of a hospital to be considered include its physical layout, the size of the wards or units, the nurses' station, the treatment rooms, and the other relevant facilities and resources available such as equipment and supplies. Next factors is the personnel. These facilities should be unless without the personnel to utilize them, and so it is important to be well acquainted with the personnel policies in place, such as the salaries paid or the nursing personnel, leave benefits enjoyed by the personnel, that is, whether these leaves are confined to those required by law or include others, and provisions for staff development programs, including instructional staff and training structures available, that is, the periodic seminars for staff. Next factors, standard of nursing care and supervision. The consist of cost of training and maintaining personnel and acquiring equipment that will be needed by the healthcare facility based on the volume of patients and the nature of their needs. It begins with the determinations of the nursing care method employed with which refers to support reports. The manager determines whether the method of patient assignment shall be functional on a case basis, on a team basis, or to a primary nursing method. She identified what labor saving devices and equipments are necessary. There must be a determination of the amount of centralized service provided, such as sterile equipment, centralized oxygen service, and line supply. The manager determines the affiliation of nursing students or medical students to the system, considering that, as a rule, inexperienced students need more supervision, equipment, and supplies. It should be all included in the hospital budget. Preparation of the nursing. Next, the stages of hospital budget. Some stages are there. The prepare assumption, already I discussed about the hospital budget. Next, the preparing the budget estimate. When we prepare the budget estimate, here I given a given a given a income, expenditure, actual last year, the current year budget, actual budget next year, and proposed and approved. This is the example of budget estimate, preparing a budget estimate. Next, the budget proposal for nursing education institution. When we propose a budget in nursing education institution, we should be followed the some steps budgeted for the average government schools of nursing in India are the at first step the review the past performance. What is the past performance? As a starting point, the nurse executive will require to review the following: the financial records from the prior periods as a basis for planning the present activities of the nursing division, the activities that the division plans and institute during the projected financial period, those activities division plans to delete during the projected periods. Step 2: review the organization's goals and projections. Next, the step 3, review the variances and higher levels of management. Step 4, actual preparation of the budget. Next, these are the budget proposal for nursing education institution. Budget for the average government schools for nursing in India are when the budget we prepare, we should be we should keep in mind that the salaries for professional, clinical, and domestic staffs, stipends for the students, new equipments and supplies, linen and other supplies, office supplies includes stationery and postage, maintenance of library or setting up new library, maintenance of transport and cost of petrol, fuel, and contingency fund for the educational tours, professional activities, capping ceremony, and the graduational ceremonies, prizes, entertainments, etc. It's the role of a nurse manager in budget. The administrator requires the sufficient funds to support sound program. Next, the administrator submits a budget request and a justification for the proposed expenditure. Budget is presented to the president, and the budget is reviewed and analyzed and modified on the basis of discussions of president and budget committee. Once revisions are made, president represents the budget or to board or trustees for approval. When a budget is approved, it has given authorization to make expenditure and to collect income as indicated in the budget. When the budget is adopted, administrator is committed to support the budget. Once the budget is approved, it is the responsibility for the administrator to see that expenditures do not exceed the approximates one made to the institution. Next, some points to be added. The role and responsibilities of the administrator or principal in budgeting. The responsibilities: participation in planning budget, consult and take assistance or his or her subordinates, request sufficient funds to suggest a sound program such as provide for the developing program, provision expansion of program to attract and hold qualified staffs, to provide for the expectations and physical facilities, supplies, equipments for improving the instructions, schools and college, and also to carry out the adequate functions in the institution. Submit budget request with the justification with proposed expenditure. The administrator defines his or her budget so that the nursing unit will have available to allow experimentation also. When the budget is allowed, the administrator should support the budget. He or she should interpret the subordinates any changes that may affect its instruction services for the adopted budget. She or he secures for the adopted budget. Once the budget is adopted, it is the responsibility for the administrator to see the expenditure should not exceed the appreciation made. Since the NARS administrator also is responsible for budget, he or she should cover the routine budget control. Next, coming to the conclusion, a budget defines the limits of financial support for the educational institution. Therefore, it controls the scope and quality of the institution's programs, goals, and appreciation of the faculty are to adjust to the varying conditions and needs of the institution. Okay, thank you to all.